Earn extra cash and fast-track your financial goals by taking online surveys. Discover top legitimate survey sites such as Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, FreeCash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashKick, and Opinion Outpost. Each site offers different availability, age requirements, and payment methods. Consider reputation, survey availability, and payout methods when selecting survey sites. Maximize your earnings by completing profiles, taking advantage of free offers, and prioritizing surveys with the highest payout rates. Ensure a smooth survey-taking experience by following best practices like creating a separate email address, taking breaks, and installing antivirus software. Watch out for warning signs of potentially illegitimate survey sites, including membership fees, lack of customer reviews, requests for private information, and difficult qualification processes. Surveys for money are legitimate and typically take about 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some sites even offer instant cash or signing bonus points. Companies pay individuals to gather market research and consumer feedback through surveys. Start making money with online surveys today.